Welcome to Sea Life Aquarium, a place where the ocean comes alive right in the heart of Darling Harbour. From the moment I stepped in, I was surrounded by a world of vibrant marine life, immersive exhibits, and the calming rhythm of water all around me. I started my journey through the Great Barrier Reef Zone, a kaleidoscope of color and movement. Schools of fish darted past coral structures, and I found myself slowing down just watching. It's not every day you get to see nature's artwork so up close. Then came one of the highlights, the shark walk. Walking through a transparent tunnel with shark gliding overhead was surreal. 13 species, each with its own grace and power. It's humbling, really, to be close to a creature we often fear but rarely understand.
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Next, the penguin expedition. I hopped aboard a little boat and entered a chilly world of king and gento penguins. They waddled, dove, and stared back with curious eyes. It felt like stepping into Antarctica for a moment, minus the frostbite. What struck me the most wasn't just the beauty, but the message. Sea life isn't just about display, it's about conservation. From rescued dugongs to coral restoration, every exhibit whispers a reminder: protect what we love. As I wrapped up my visit, I realized this wasn't just an aquarium, it was a journey, a reminder of how vast and delicate our oceans are. And honestly, I left with more awe than I came in with. Thanks for watching. Do take care until we meet next time. Bye bye.